Feeding dogs raw meat increases the risk of them excreting antibiotic-resistant E. coli, according to a study by the University of Bristol. The research, based on a survey of 600 healthy pet dogs, found that the only significant risk factor associated with the excretion of ciprofloxacin-resistant E. coli in dog feces was the consumption of uncooked meat. Ciprofloxacin is a widely used antibiotic, and the study suggests that handling raw meat as part of a pet's diet may increase the likelihood of pet owners interacting with dogs excreting resistant bacteria. The findings support previous studies linking raw meat consumption to resistant E. coli in dogs.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.